What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Last day, the NY couple are look so sweet together at Chi Thailand. They've got a short interview after the presentation, sweet dancing in front of everyone. The NY couple are look so more happy and stronger after the rumored happened that they're not okay because of more conflicts about their schedule for works and their wedding. As you can see, the NY couple was still the same, keeping private slightly, but we all know that they're not too much showy in public and not affected. The important thing for the NY couple that they understand each other at the end of the day, and the NY couple proved to everyone that nothing is true about the negative comments, but the only true is their lovely feelings to each other. From that day, Rosaya and Nadek are look so beautiful and handsome. Rosaya got her photos and posted it and caption, channeling my inner disco diva ball, hashtag 54 miracles. Nadeko Gimiya likes it, 100% supported his girlfriend.